So today we're going to talk about animals who come from the Amazon rainforest. And interestingly enough, animals from the rainforest, it's a very unique place. The Amazon holds about one third of the world's biodiversity between plants and animals, which is really fascinating because if all continents had all animals and plant life measured out and broken up equally, each continent then would have about 10, 13% each if it was equal. But the Amazon has 30% of the world's biodiversity. So that's pretty amazing. It's a really interesting place. So animals who live in the Amazon, they have a few things that help them to survive, primarily through their diet and different adaptations. So, I have Esmeralda, the redfoot tortoise. These guys live on the bottom layer of the rainforest in the Amazon. And these guys are omnivores. They eat anything, which is unusual for a tortoise who's typically an herbivore. And that's because food is constantly being thrown down from the top of the canopy from monkeys and other animals. And so anything that comes down is fair game to a redfoot tortoise who's wandering around on the floor of the Amazon. That could be dead animals, that could be fruit, could be flowers, could be anything that comes down from the canopy. And then you have animals like this crazy girl, Lola, the kinkajou, and they have quite a few things that help them to survive. These guys are actually called frugivores, which is an interesting category of animals and way of scientists put their diet. 90% of their diet is fruit, and these guys live high in the canopy of the Amazon rainforest. That's their favorite thing to eat. And they'll also eat honey because there's many bees in the Amazon, and they'll rip right into a bee's nest to find the honey. And these guys also have this prehensile tail, just like a monkey has. Okay, so sometimes you find animals who have very similar adaptations despite the fact that they're not related. So, I mean, Lola, the kinkajou here, she has this long prehensile tail. Just like a monkey, but she's not in the monkey family. She's in the raccoon family. So I hope you guys learned a few things about Amazon animals who live in the Amazon